We got it in. Thanks to Damien and Mike. Jesus. Just need to float it now next time we try and have some hooey. Stop. Hi folks. Sorry, I didn't do a lot of recording on the videos there. No, we were so busy with the concrete and everything. I didn't get a chance to record much. Just kind of, as you see in the videos there, now just a few clips here and there. I'd just like to thank my mate that came out and gave me a hand, Damien Connor. Thanks, man. Seriously, like that was a huge thing you did for me. We'd still be there only for you, and I'm so sorry about the van. Hopefully, by the time I have this uploaded, now the van is sorted. So yeah, we got for everyone else, we got the concrete on the floor, and we floated it. It was a bit wet. I mean, we floated as best we could. I'm not too pushed about it because I don't know, are we going to go time next, or are we going to put carpet down, or what's the story? But it doesn't have to be exactly perfect, like, you know, there's going to be a floor cover over it. It's flat enough, you know, and no, that's the thing, it's level. So that's the most important thing. Just, you know, I'd love to stay there until it got a bit more drier and give it another go over, but look, we did our best. That's all we can do. So yeah, next video probably will be on Wednesday. The only thing is I'm going to be very busy now with animals and things like that. So I don't know if there's going to be much videos. If I get a chance, I might. There's a few bits and pieces I need to do around the house anyway, so I might make a few videos of that. We'll see. So anyway, thanks for watching the videos if you're watching them, and hope to see you in the next video. And like and subscribe to the videos, and yeah, we'll see you next week. Bye.